especially when we see the watchers for across the world. 2021, like we take start from the beginning of the program, it starts on Friday, and today, now Friday, this is the end on Friday. But so many things happen there where we see the make us go talk about 2021. Now good is there be, now bad is there be, where we dey now, where he don't carry us reach, he don't carry us go front, they don't carry us go back. All these are some of the matter there when we will look. How 2021 take carry Nigeria? Now we want to look now. Because of this, I will go out to go meet people who are their head sharp for all this kind of matter. Maybe they can talk to us. We get first from here, our brother and friend, Robinson Imade. Welcome to our program.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah, good to you.
Good morning, viewer.
Thank you. You know how you go do, man. You go bring the grammar, come down small, because no go school like now. The way to talk. Thank you, my brother. Good morning, viewers.
Thank you, my brother. No be correct English, na pidgin.
The way to talk.
How they will take talk about
pidgin? The way to talk. The way to talk.
Okay. Thank you, my brother. Good morning, you.
You don't see the other face there. Our brother Osan Obaraye. Welcome to our program.
Yeah, my people for us now. Good morning.
You shall say yes.
This
is a real grassroots man and the rest. Many things that happen for the year 2021. Many things them. If we could take all of them, they go hard us. But we could take more to touch them small. The one we say time if you allow us take, we go take them. We could start for insecurity matter. Make I start with you, my brother Robinson Imade. How you want to look the insecurity from Friday 1st of January 2021 to Friday 31st of December 2021. How you take score security for Nigeria?
Well, for me, make I start by saying celebrate to all our people, all our viewers. Insecurity for Nigeria for the year when they go so. Not be waiting they will fit talk even for 1 week. Because now God, now I can say we still fit day here today. Make we start with Dino Melaye say anybody when fit survive this administration supposed to get certificate of what they call of survivor.
Certificate of survivor.
Now so it be for insecurity matter. That we sit down here so not be our power, not the power of God. And not be as they just they talk and say now God power for everything. Waiting we pass through for this year when they end today so. Now waiting what they call war situation. We not defeat our children no fit go school as they're supposed to go. Our people no fit go farm as they're supposed to go.
For the whole part of the country?
For the whole part of the country. Not be the country where they look. Okay. I've been there for Edo State.
Novice.
Our people no fit go farm the way they're supposed to go. Even for Edo State, we no fit go farm the way they're supposed to go. Our people no fit move from one part of the country to another because of insecurity. That kind killing and fight, we not even fit go where we dey serve God for church or for mosque as we dey do before. This kind situation where people no fit waka as they like, for fear say they fit kill them or they fit steal them, catch them like they catch animal for bush. Call they find waiting what they call ransom, make they come pay before they release them. And that one beneath what they call Odomomu. It can't even see or say we don't even see food they chop again. Because for some part of the country, they say if you want to go farm, you go they pay money to people when you're supposed to thief you. Because it don't they give and say you don't get free movement. So as we day here today, now God power.
Okay,
and we never ever see them way bad like this for this country before.
Okay. If I go ask you now, what will be the cause of all this kind of thing? Because now insecurity you talk. How will they get here and the rest? Now be the next question will be so aggressive. But before then, you get one to be say, my brother talk, Robinson Imade. I want to make you take off from there, my brother Obaraye. He talk about hunger. Because anytime we say you come here and they say for television, this program, any program, you talk and say the number one thing when we say we will think of, now be food and the rest, whether we like them or not. So you say you were happy when it be say the former governor there of Ekiti State, Ayodele Fayose, talk and say stomach infrastructure. He said the man know what he be say talk. For you, with the situation when we say day for grand and what Robinson don't talk, so very concerned hunger. I want me to take out from there.
Yeah, Baba, thank you so much. I want, first of all, thank you for giving us voice to talk. Also thank, just the way I tell Baba GM yesterday for on our program when he invited me come. Say, God not go feel, now only God go feel pay now for what now they do, because most things when they talk here, they reflect. From people now go talk, say, about you look what they do not be tomorrow when you do ITV, make you go they talk with him the way it be. If not be that one, people for if for worst. The truth be say, our leaders, I want to use one small grammar, what they call conscience, mind. Their conscience don't die. They don't get conscience again. Our leaders are dead in conscience.
What do make you feel? That one?
Yes, that one comes. So the reason why make me feel like we say, no, just the way my godfather, they laugh for outside just now. No papa go dey happy say he pikin no fit chop for Christmas. Neither he pikin no see cloth to wear. If the papa don't even get money, he go do his best just to stay with the children. Just to make them feel that love, say, money I not get, something I not get, but
Daddy they around us.
Daddy they around us. People gonna say use me, just to play. Maybe also, maybe for that Christmas too, now maybe everything. Make the children for they happy. But Papa, when he don't fit do all those things, come to say no, make it still go stay for Mama house Apollo joint for a year to drink, I can leave children for house. That man, they conscience them. Because you born these people, they're not they happy this period, and you go to the last one place, they're happy. So our leaders go leave us when they know say, as we they speak now, there's nothing apart from the election when happen for Anambra.
You feel say yes, say they easy for them, the leaders.
If it's not that easy for you, you go leave the thing now, Baba. If journalism not that easy, not good for you since, or you don't put all your time, you don't leave them now, start other business now. So we not go fit they use our money, they pay somebody when you go tell us say, enough you do this thing well. Place war day somewhere, you go come out, you go enter plane when we buy, not be you buy them. Go somewhere, go say you want to go attend something, sometimes with your family, as you depend on what you want. That one a person when they conscience there. If the person when promise or say, if I come, food go day. That don't want to make some of us support this project. And now because they look and say that one of the worst political mistake when some of you like me don't take to ever think of even supporting the present administration, because the hunger come worse. It don't be like this before. Before Baba, 2 akpu for that Calabar woman place for a one they chop. If I chop them, I'll not go eat another one till around that kind 2 or 3. But now 4 akpu, no they rich person again. It goes to show say it don't worst. Before the woman will give you pure water for free. After you don't chop that 2 akpu. Now the woman will tell you say pure water don't dear. Say now 120 naira for water to drink after person eats. And because you want to make you don't fit chop belly full well, it good make you use water over top. So you go come and say you need to drink about 3. That's 60 naira adding to your expenses. This one na government all of us think say as it come, things go get better. Now things go even the worst.
So how the insecurity now till they cause the hunger? Because I know in question what Mr. I've
Yes.
and then because if say
insecurity now be the #1 factor when they bring hunger come. Because think I'm now say, Baba, God forbid patterns, me and you there inside here. We hear gunshot for outside. We don't go fit come out here now. There's no way. Even somebody tell you say come out, you don't feel no, you don't go come out.
you go think before you come out.
Yes. So because those people, that mindset say the woman when they Okada or when they Mama village.
The way you talk this one, I be like say yes, you talk say yes, say the government they do enough to address the situation of insecurity. Because many times the same Mr. President, the whole meeting with service chiefs, the whole meeting with them today, tomorrow, every time the whole meeting with them. Even at times, they won't be saying, everybody come to talk, say, yes, maybe they change the service chiefs and the rest. The person they listen to now, he changed the service chiefs, took a Borotai, go, all of them go, and the rest. Now, here we still there, now we still there. So I go find, before I go come back to you, I go ask you, Robinson Imade, how we country reach here? Because if they talk now, or you even talk and say, bless Mr. President, they do enough to do this thing. But if they every time, they wait as soon as once, they get on to that. Now, here we still there,
The thing when they be say, like him talk, many people make mistake when they say bring this president come power. I not join them. People when they listen to me so no say I even spend my money. Say 1983 when this man first come, I don't.
More no put all our energy for that one. But we'll talk about
what I'm saying now. Be say, if you remember when he just come, the first walk when this man walk. Now to say all military checkpoints made them come up for road. Now that time now these katakata people, these bad people, see opportunity to go to different parts of Nigeria, settle down.
But the military people now, they did that. Some of the people they complain they extort people now.
They never come back now. They don't come back now. The point be say we get government we no sabi.
When you think say no sabi.
When I know say no sabi, if he sabi, things not go be like this.
Okay.
And you talk say we say make it change service chief, you don't hear. How many years people take climate change before you change them? When water don't pass Gary, before you come to take action. That action na medicine after death. We get government when it promise us say if it just come within 6 months, because in a general, all the wahala of insecurity will come out. And like my brother talk, now we know waiting be the meaning of insecurity. We get government when he say if he come, hunger will come out for Nigeria. Now we know the correct definition of hunger. We get government when he say if he come, people go they happy, people go get money. Now people they cry. Now people they sad. We get government when he say if he come, we go get light, business go the boom, yanga. Now people know they fit do any business. Now light no day. Now road no day. So anyhow when you look at this wahala what we did, now our government put them. It day before they come. But the reason when many people, many Nigerians say, okay, make the first one come out. This one, Army General, he say he go feed one for us. Everybody they regret now. So whether we like them or not, now our government hand they say, okay, may we ask, how a man will first talk say, if you they fight Boko Haram, you they fight my people. A man will go meet Lam Adesina, governor of Oyo State, say, oh, but what did they happen now? Where your people, they kill my people. If they power now, we know they pamper all these bandits, all these Wahala people. Will they fight them the way we're supposed to fight them? Governors, even for inside, they cry. Everybody, they cry. Shehu Sani don't cry, don't tire. Because we know one act. We think, say, we go fit manage them, pet them, tell them, make them come out. How we prepare the soup when we think say it go sweet or you can't take.
Okay. Make we look this other matter because the way we say they go now, everybody talk and say vigilante now be the way out. Make everybody take care of in place. See the say people say state police, people say vigilante, because somebody like I don't know the difference between vigilante or the state police. But just yesterday here, what I said yesterday for Tara Bise Note, the governor of Katsina State, where he be say, Mr. President from come. Aminu Masari, he talk and say, as he be, he say, make everybody, make them go arm themselves. Say, people where be say, they don't feel arm themselves. Say, he go assist them to get arms and the rest. This now what he be say, we're supposed to expect for a country, Nigeria. Make I ask you about right.
No, like the same thing we say they talk now. Me say 12, you they say dozen.
Okay.
That boy say thing we they talk because the truth be say, for a governor, when we vote for, when be the #1 chief security officer of a state, to come tell you say make you can go help yourself by to hold arms. Tell you say he already failed first of all for your responsibility.
Okay.
If that governor don't fail, for the governor to also look at everything, the person where they the top too don't fail, because by the time some people begin die come for head, he dies faster.
Okay.
It was not like now they pay us.
Day, right?
For some will cut off more for the manage.
Okay.
But head not if they pay you, may say be cut off more. That be the problem when Nigeria did so. If this problem was a local government issue, we for say okay, more ignore local government.
State government will take
yes,
up.
after all now, I don't know even get local government, and we are still moving on. So
we still get local government. We get 18.
no, we not get
Functional
local government. Which we just get now.
You just did for map.
Yes,
they
just
do
did not do now.
Okay.
So it was saying that one for fee ignore, we ignore for Edo. But if they tell you now, say the head no good, how you want to tell you manage? That is the problem.
Okay, they tell us that the head no
Yes,
good. Okay.
and now not really from the look of things, it's not good. It don't
No,
be-
we don't fit to say no good. Maybe you know the way we expect and make it take function for where you they do it like that.
If you go buy food, I always want to use food because now waiting man not if you do without.
Yeah.
You can wear a cloth for 1 week. If you stay for 1 week, you don't bath. But you don't fit think of one, say you don't go chop for 1 week.
Wow.
Even those when they tell you say that they do fasting and prayer, they tell you say, oh boy, go break them for your own good. So if you go buy food and the food not sweet you the way you like, you talk say this food not good now. Because I wait your expectation. The reason why they pay us now be saying that what will be expect from this government be say by now we're not supposed to even think of stress for next election. Now the next election now problem now it go hard us do. Why it go hard us do now be say the road one will pass before to pass them again now go hard because that's simple questions they go ask. Say when they pass this road come that time. Now nobody normal come when you drive come. How come like they come you go look for all those forerunners now? You don't wash off. So the greatest pain and the greatest what we supposed to think about now what they also expect they say these people know they are very very they might be dull in administration but they are very sharp when it comes to election issue. Now that one they learn.
We will come to politics, but I just want to make you first just look this matter when we say because you don't look and say governor say make everybody go get gun. You don't get I will give to you. You know if you say that will cost more wahala than the one we did for grassroots.
The failure now not come from the head. That the governor water don't fool the governor. He not get ready to talk again.
Don't they almost the time?
Yes, he don't. It's like so just to survive himself. I quickly tell you that one.
Okay.
But what do you mean for like? Do you think the governor for talk? Not to for do proper vigilante. That one for fit savage and small. Not be say you go fit. Are you getting it for fit savage and small because using the door as a case study. The skirmish after the wahala one will get small after NSAS protest. When it come be say some of us can go buy double padlock, take padlock ourselves again for inside for some time. But after the emergence of vigilante, the thing can subside. Not just subside, it can over subside. Before even police now can come out because those ones before enter out. So I think that one the governor for passing through that corner because telling people say me they go hold the arms. That time, if I hold the money, I'll go find them.
Okay.
Because the thing not going to be. So you don't supposed to just spread and give people.
Okay.
You're supposed to do and cordially say, okay, make we identify those when one arms. Everybody not just feel arms. We not there for zombie way and one way and Joja. No, we supposed to do and say, okay, who go hold arms? If you hold arms, see why you go hold arms. So see who you they follow, see who they fight to.
Okay. So the regulate the.
Not be make me hold arm, my pikin hold arm, my wife hold arm. Tomorrow, you not give me food where pikin show me gun say daddy because the governor talk say make everybody hold arms.
Okay.
Teacher hold arms, student hold arms. Who want to teach each other?
Okay, don't worry. Mr. Amade, you hear what TB say talk about this massacre and say make everybody go arm themselves. You understand? What do you think? Say yes, say they wrong or they very right for this to be say massacre talk of Katsina State.
Socrates talk say nothing they wrong or right now the way you think them. But the way I want first look at this matter, a governor in Nigeria talk say make people go hold arm, make them defend themselves. Who know if he buy gun, if he come meet and say go give him.
Say go assist them.
Go assist him, then be say go give him. Make we think him. If na Rivers State governor talk that kind of thing, what think will happen now?
In Yeson Wike.
If na Yeson Wike talk him like that, say Rivers people, the way they talk. More than arm on ourselves, if you're not fit, I go support you now buy arms. Waiting for the happen for Nigeria today. Or God, my friend El Rufai, for don't they talk non-stop. That's number
But
one.
when the they talk now, say yes, say these people they say they don't over them now.
That's number one. What did they talk before? And you say
Maybe
we
just
vote.
like that, and I can't see and well
Okay, now they say well. Okay, that's number one. Number two. If a government like my brother here talk, don't tire, because the Constitution of Nigeria talks say now to secure life and property of every Nigerian citizen. Now be number one thing for government to do.
Section 14, Section 2.
And now they say they don't fit again. For better part of the world, this government is supposed to come out. Because you don't talk, say you don't fail. Everybody, no matter they arm themselves. Soldiers, they when they train, when they take Nigeria money train, all our money train. Police, they when they train. Air Force, they when they train. All of them, they when they train, they get armed. They say me, we not be even hunter. We not sabi pull the gun. Make I go buy arm. Make I buy for my wife and my children. If I don't fit, make I come meet people. That one I be say, we don't tire, we not fit again. And these same people, when they this government today, don't talk before, say, we vote that former president, make it secure. If you not fit do one, make it come out. For person who sabi, make it do one. So it means say, the people now don't forget everything when they talk before, number one. Number two, it shows say they don't fail. They don't admit to us say they don't fail. That's number two. Number three, it shows say they don't get solution to our problem. And yet, they don't acknowledge say problem full ground remain.
The governor of Sokoto State, Aminu Tambuwa, they come the other day, he arrest one musician when they say they call Ayuba.
Yes.
They say they sing praise of one bandit when they call Toji Bello.
That's true.
So the bandits now, he do music for about 14 minutes. Even describe this bandit. Say yes, say now one lion when they get the whole bush. Now one man when strong past 1,000 people. So nobody will feel and talk so many things and the rest. And with the here now say federal government don't come out. They say the bandits, see they get their names and everything, the sponsors and the rest, they get all these things them. And secondly too, this man now can't take this same to sing now. They arrest this boy.
That's true.
What about the person itself when they use take sings and bandits in there around? We don't see some governors the way in BC say they carry bandits them. They follow and take picture. When BC they hold gun and all of that. You understand? Where this one leave us now? Is it not misplaced according to the way in go school, like people like Imadi Robinson? Is this one of the what they call misplaced priority? Now they ask you something.
Yeah, go ahead, Baba. You, Baba, first talk what you want to start. You say if you want to talk what happened for Nigeria from Friday, January 1st to Friday, December 31st. We know we come out here, but we go quickly touch on small. That one when you talk now, you say us now say the leave waiting person when carry leaf out for head. Go they use leg, they fire hands. So make this hand
cricket.
Cricket. So you know the person. I talk say that Thomas Adona be now they send me message, now he call me. You say no be Thomas Adona, you went call Thomas Adona be problem. When the person when I take sing, you know. So what? So he goes to tell our police and that person don't take shine. You also know that this country we do when they tell us they don't fair kill one man.
They don't kill her many times.
that man get about now cat with about
9 lives.
He don't pass 9 lives. This one will show out today, the other one. Then the next tomorrow the man will tell you say every plane down boy. You go do a man, nothing they happen. And somebody now musician use and sing. Musician when use and sing tell you say if you know before you use person sing you know him. You know if you begin describe person when you never see. Me know if you describe Desmond Tutu now when I don't meet once. And what I read about her.
Or what you see for television.
But for me to talk say that one man when being lion when do it goes to show say maybe I don't see him, I get close connection with him. So if you know want use him, I the person make you not use him. But I don't say for Nigeria that one they impossible. Not be waiting we suppose even begin talk say that's what they want to arrest one bandit because those bandits even get level pass of governors for state because now them even know how those governors take come.
But brother, talk about that. Sister, they collect money from people before they will go farm.
That they tell you now. So
you can't get parallel.
Those ones don't even get problem now. The people won't tell you say if you not pay to me, not go farm. They not get problem. And you also know say that Nigeria na comedy state. That make us if he even survive even with hunger.
Okay.
You remember say one governor talk now say make we hold gun. And while another governor buy stick, give the people to secure themselves. Make people hold stick against bandits where hold AK-49, AK-47. So it goes to tell you the type of brain and mentality.
Well, the way some of us say the reason.
When some people say the reason. You, when they talk, your security now one full police station, now they got governor. The policeman when go dey New Benin police station now, then they go carry all of them. Say go guide this governor. Then you buy stick, give us one kobaye, make I take go my farm for Iguadolo when I know say Boko Haram dey there with gun. You not carry your police go help me clear roads, drive those people, come out, make the farm for free when I don't even need stick again. Then wait till I need a shovel and cutlass just to do my utensils. So it goes to tell you say leadership failure for Nigeria na zero.
Okay. If you look at the Tambuwal issue with the musician Ayuba, where you would like to put mouth, my brother Robinson Imadi?
Well, I mean, sure say that musician no say them go arrest him. And it will say they no arrest him, me I for surprise say we don't get sense come for Nigeria. When I got pata pikin marry, and he dress the way Oyibo dey dress, the Muslim police, they not do anything, no. But the person will put that in picture for social media, then arrest him. You don't forget.
See why I put her first.
Say why you can't put him? Say it's against Islam.
No, but person wear
But person wear naked dress like that, go party, go function, no wahala. So I know say the musician they go arrest him. Even before they arrest him, I know. But I hear listen to the music, I say, oh, because we dey always leave waiting about they call the substance with the pursue shadow, you know. Okay, we are talking about waiting to call them. How I see Tambuwal action. You don't talk and say bandits, these katakata people, they go hold gun, they go open their face, they go sit down, stand with governor, take picture, they go talk. Now picture we see, we don't know where they entertain themselves, where they eat and drink. You understand? So we are with that country where we say anything will happen, will happen freely. Now person when you see him and talk him, now be the bad person. Make I ask you, Sado, what will be the difference between this musician now and Sheikh Gumi? Sheikh Gumi say, we know say they go meet with bandits. He say where they police don't feel they go there. They not police don't agree go there. So you know they free go there. He said make they not do that. If they even declare the bandits, it go worsen the situation for Nigeria.
Or terrorists.
Or terrorists. It go worsen the situation for Nigeria. If they meet with them, he will come give us report. He go hold picture with them. Take picture with them. They don't arrest Gumi. How that one take different from waiting the young musician when they find food? When he tell us the truth.
Are you saying what the musician do say they right? Say they sing praise of this. You just say they say bad signal they give other people.
What I'm the truth of the matter be saying.
Or they weigh the two.
Wait, the one with big pass Gumi okay, no go feed day.
Okay.
But waiting the boy do. Now waiting government supposed to appreciate and put. Oh, person like that day, we get this kind of power, we get this authority,
no,
maybe go find out. Right. Have you don't hear them talk about the person? Now who talk him? The man who we supposed to give money, the musician. What they call him? They say when you go expose something, when you go talk.
Whistleblower.
Whistleblower. Now whistleblower the man be now. And Nigeria, this kind of government, this same government don't talk say, for if you blow whistle, they will give you money. The man blow big whistle now, they arrest him. Okay. The only thing when that one they tell me be say, if you know where criminal they, if you know where bandit they, if you know where bad people they, keep your mouth shut to not talk.
Okay. But you see, time no be our friend, time now one thing we say they wait for, but don't they ever they wait for us. But when would they, in the course of this our discussion, you talk one thing about politics. And what make we be say we narrow on to election. Festus Okoye, the person they in charge for information for INEC, he come and say the way the insecurity day is sure, to use a big word when you say it could jeopardize it go spoil the conduct of 2023 election, the way the thing be. You understand? And many people don't they complain before. See, 2023 election no go hold because of this 2020, because of this matter when we say it concern insecurity. If the people they want to say they in charge, they talk about say, if black say we no go feed this election, no, if this kind of thing continue, where we come there for the country?
And you must talk now to increase their budget now. That make us talk out.
You know, you know, if you say Osama Bara, you know, if you say the insecurity fee affect the
no,
conduct of
if
the
you
election.
affect them. Using Anambra as a case study.
Okay, Anambra.
Yes,
as a case
Anambra
study.
was a very peaceful election.
Okay.
A week, 2 weeks, a month to Anambra election. There was killing every day. Even when
But if you look Anambra, or you know, say now one state where you both they call secluded election,
Yeah.
and now one single election now in BCAB. This one that when BCAB say it go happen, general election, everybody go vote,
Yeah.
and the rest of that one. And you know, say before that election, before they do it, they carry all the police where BCAB for Nigeria, go there. Helicopter they fly for up, and then everything they fly for up. That kind of thing we not go fit enjoy am when BCAB they do election, general election for everywhere.
we will still feel enjoy, Baba. We will still feel
Sure,
enjoy.
we get the map power and everything.
Yes,
we do am.
we get the map power.
So why the map power not fit come fight the insecurity?
The map power when it comes to election, that one na money. And those ones, the bandit know say they go give them money.
Well, the first to the for the election.
Yes. Our leaders, I tell you just now, say, what you know, take, what you cannot take from this crop of Nigerian leaders, now the way to undo election. You see all of them when it comes to election matter, everybody everybody take charge. Because they know say, now this will be their business. They're not getting all that business what they do. To sustain all the money where they loot, to sustain everything about their image till they go grave. They must always handle, make sure say election in Nigeria is well done. Because if they take the research on the other way side, that is the end. So when it comes to election, everybody go quietly, as in swallow, you go maintain. There nobody go want to take election as Bobubu as they talk am here. So election for 2023 will be the freest. Waiting we suppose even they talk, don't be about them. We suppose to talk about we. Because now that one, now therefore increase money pass. If they can buy vote last time for 10,000, we should be expecting about 50,000 per vote as at 2023.
When Mr. You say our vote they count now.
So now we suppose to think and now say, CEO, make we guide these people. Even though they want to use us rig, make we not let them rig.
Okay, before I go, let you.
Because you see, I say, Baba no be sign the electoral act.
that one matter for another time.
That one go to tell you say 2023, I dey.
Okay.
If I not dey, now the best thing wey for do maybe say na only thing wey they go remember for be that say he signed the electoral act. Since he not come do am, I not sure say anything dey to remember.
With the talk when Mbese yes, say first of all you talk, INEC talk. What in Mbese you get to talk about the election for 2023? You feel just like Obara, you say yes, the election was still be peaceful and the rest.
Well,
if person will be say they conduct when we conduct the election, you talk about in
my
the
own
fear.
be say na Festus Okoye na him voice we hear o. Me no believe say na him message.
Okay.
Wetin my mind tell me be say they say make good talk, make them look how Nigeria go take react. So that if all of us dey we will become optimistic as my brother talk so they fit know wetin they want to do. For me, when the election insecurity dey northeast that time, Jonathan postponed am for about 2 weeks or so. Tell the military say go there, election must hold everywhere. I'm not sure say these are people wey dey power so. When in my opinion they even fear say maybe no fit come back. So in my opinion, say they will get that kind of courage to say election must hold. If it be say na the way to delay, now be this, and then same first or say go talk this thing, maybe see how these
reaction.
people go take react. But if insecurity the way it dey, if it not dey the hand of our government, the way they go so, election go hard though. It go hard well. But if then they remote control them, and then they decide that they meet with those people, get where they meet, then the people tell them, give them money, say relax. But if Zamfara, Sokoto, Kaduna, everywhere, the way things for notice they go so, if na true situation of our insecurity position, it go hard for election.
To hold.
But my own mind be say, then they send their voice message. Because if you look at the area when they attack self, the area when not strong for their religion, right? They see you.
Okay.
If not be that they send a message, if we double the helicopter, the triple self, the helicopter, the map we get, they no go fit. But make we believe, say, like me truly believe, say, na master servant interaction. Now we see in the form of security.
Okay, we thank you. Robinson Imade, Osan Obarayi, we thank you for being a journalist this morning. I will not say yes, we will call on want to talk about so many more matters that will be say happen for 2021. We'll just take this small one first. We'll take a small break now. Hey, this is our discussion will end. We'll take a small break now. They come back and we're anywhere in the program and Good Morning from Benin. Anyway, be say they watch us. Just stay.